Generative AI, the future of vaccines. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how generative AI is revolutionizing vaccine development, faster development, more effective treatments, and potentially eradicating deadly diseases. Let's break it down. Antigen design, building the perfect target. In the world of immunology, designing the perfect antigen is akin to crafting a masterpiece. It requires precision, knowledge, and a touch of innovation. Before we get into AI, let's understand how vaccines work. Vaccines are one of the most powerful tools in modern medicine, saving millions of lives each year. They work by training our immune system to recognize and combat pathogens, such as viruses and bacteria. A vaccine introduces a harmless piece of a virus, called an antigen, to your immune system. This antigen is a small, non-infectious part of the virus that triggers an immune response without causing disease. Think of it like showing your body a wanted poster of the virus. Your immune system sees the poster, learns to recognize the virus, and is prepared to fight it off if it ever encounters the real thing. Traditionally, finding the right antigen was a guessing game. Scientists would spend years testing different antigens in the lab, hoping to find one that worked. This process was time-consuming and often inefficient. With AI, we can now create and test thousands of hypothetical antigen structures in silico. This means we can simulate how different antigens will interact with the immune system without having to test each one in the lab. AI models like VAEs and GANs learn the language of molecules, generating new antigens that trigger better immune responses. These models can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and predicting which antigens will be most effective. AI can predict which parts of a virus are most likely to be recognized by our immune cells. This allows scientists to design antigens that are more likely to trigger a strong and lasting immune response. This precision means developing vaccines for previously difficult diseases with fewer side effects. By using AI to design antigens, we can create vaccines that are not only more effective but also safer for patients. This represents a significant advancement in the field of vaccine development, offering hope for combating diseases that have long eluded us. Cracking the code vaccine target discovery. Viruses like the flu and COVID-19 constantly mutate, evading our immune system. AI can predict how a virus will mutate before it happens. Models like protein sequence transformers analyze genetic data to identify potential mutations. AlphaFold predicts viral protein structures, crucial for blocking infection. AI helps develop vaccines effective against current and future strains. This means longer-lasting immunity and potentially getting ahead of outbreaks. It's like having a crystal ball for viral evolution. Synthetic data, training the immune system in the matrix. Understanding how our immune system reacts to a new vaccine is crucial. Traditional clinical trials are expensive and time-consuming. Imagine simulating the human immune response in a computer. Generative AI creates vast datasets mimicking the human immune system. We can test thousands of vaccine candidates virtually. This accelerates development and allows for personalized vaccines tailored to specific populations. It's like having a virtual testing ground for vaccines. Chapter 4. Adjuvants and delivery, the supporting cast of vaccine development. Adjuvants boost vaccine effectiveness. Designing effective adjuvants has been trial and error. AI can now design and optimize these molecules with precision. AI analyzes existing adjuvants and generates new, enhanced ones. AI also designs nanoparticle delivery systems for vaccines. These nanoparticles deliver the vaccine directly to immune cells. This control maximizes efficacy and minimizes side effects. It's like having a GPS-guided delivery system for vaccines. Chapter 5. Outsmarting the enemy, mutational prediction and vaccine adaptability. AI predicts viral mutations, revolutionizing vaccine development. Scientists predict flu strains yearly, but sometimes the virus changes unexpectedly. AI analyzes genetic data to identify potential new variants. This early warning system helps develop vaccines for emerging threats. AI identifies conserved regions within a virus less likely to mutate. Targeting these regions creates vaccines effective against multiple strains. It's like having a universal key for long-term protection. Chapter 6. The future is personal immune system modeling for tailored vaccines. In this chapter, we delve into the cutting-edge world of personalized medicine, where the focus is on creating vaccines that are specifically designed for each individual's unique immune system. Each of us has a unique immune profile. This means that our bodies react differently to infections and vaccines. Understanding these differences is crucial for developing more effective vaccines. This variability affects how we respond to vaccines. Some people may develop strong immunity, while others may not respond as well. This is why a personalized approach is so important. A one-size-fits-all approach isn't always effective. Traditional vaccines are designed to work for the average person, but they don't account for individual differences in immune response. AI can tailor vaccines to an individual's unique immune system. By using advanced algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify the best vaccine formulation for each person. By analyzing genetic data and medical history, AI creates a personalized immune system model. This model takes into account factors like genetic predispositions, past infections, and overall health. This model predicts how an individual will respond to different vaccines. It can help scientists design vaccines that are more likely to be effective for each person, reducing the risk of adverse reactions. Personalized vaccinology could transform healthcare, making vaccines safer and more effective. By tailoring vaccines to individual needs, we can improve public health outcomes and ensure that everyone receives the best possible protection against diseases. Chapter 7. The Virtual Lab. Clinical Trial Simulation and Virtual Cohorts. Clinical trials are essential but can be expensive and time-consuming. Imagine testing vaccines using virtual patients instead of real people. Generative AI creates virtual populations mimicking real-world diversity. We can test different dosages and combinations in a controlled environment. This identifies potential safety concerns early and optimizes trial design. It accelerates vaccine development and makes it more cost-effective. Virtual clinical trials are becoming more sophisticated and realistic. Chapter 8. The Vaccine Factory of the Future. Accelerating and optimizing manufacturing. Developing a vaccine is only half the battle. Manufacturing it at scale is the other. The journey from lab to jab involves numerous complex steps, each requiring precision and efficiency. AI optimizes every stage of the manufacturing pipeline. From the initial stages of production to the final packaging, AI ensures that each process is streamlined and efficient. AI analyzes data from bioreactors to identify optimal conditions for vaccine production. By continuously monitoring and adjusting variables, AI can maintain the perfect environment for vaccine development. This increases yields, reduces production time, and improves consistency. The precision of AI-driven processes ensures that each batch of vaccines meets the highest standards of quality. AI acts as a supervisor, ensuring maximum efficiency and quality control. It can detect and rectify issues in real time, preventing potential bottlenecks and ensuring a smooth production flow. AI also develops new manufacturing methods like cell-free systems. These innovative approaches can revolutionize the way vaccines are produced, making the process faster and more adaptable. This could significantly reduce production costs. By minimizing waste and optimizing resource use, AI-driven manufacturing not only speeds up production, but also makes it more cost-effective. Furthermore, AI can enhance the logistics of vaccine distribution, ensuring that vaccines reach their destinations quickly and safely. This holistic approach to manufacturing and distribution is key to meeting global vaccination needs. Chapter 9. Breaking the cold chain, improving storage and distribution. Maintaining the cold chain is a challenge in global vaccine distribution. AI develops new formulations and storage solutions that are more stable. AI analyzes vaccine structures to improve thermostability. Smart packaging solutions monitor and adjust temperature in real time. Breaking the cold chain makes vaccines more accessible, saving lives. Outro: the future of health, generative AI, and the fight against disease. Generative AI is revolutionizing vaccine development. We're talking about faster, more effective, and accessible vaccines. The potential of generative AI to transform healthcare is undeniable. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest technological advancements. Thanks for watching.